Welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check Spotify Mod Apk 2025 latest. So let's start. I show you the best experience to have Spotify. Then this will help you to have all the songs that you like, that you love offline. Also, you can check the high music quality. If you check on your settings in the left corner, to go to settings and privacy, and then just scroll down and let's go to media quality, and here you can check the highest one, or also you can check the cellular streaming quality and height, or if you prefer also the sound will be high quality. This is the media, and also where the content and display you can check here, canvas and those kind of things. So it's a great experience to have on Spotify if you prefer it. You can modify anything that you prefer here. You can play all the songs that you want, and also if the songs has for example a video, you can active also in settings. Then just go to content and display if you prefer, and show on playing song, split content, canvas, and also, well, if you prefer to show or modify something, you can do it with any problem. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.